Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Mark. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Mindify AI. So today we would like to introduce how to use Mindify Lab, which is our flagship product, to learn model context protocol, a very popular new software development kit and protocol that allows all kinds of applications, software, and context to interact with the LLMs. So let's get started with that. Okay, so first of all, going to the lab.mindifyai.dev, which is the application URL for software. And let me just sign up first so that you can see the whole process. Cool. So let's sign in with. Okay. Cool. Let's sign in. Once it's ready, then we're gonna just set up our access token to connect the repository for model context protocol. So we're gonna use here is we have a Python SDK, and once click, it will direct you to the Python one, and it's a GitHub repository. So basically, we're gonna index this one here. So we're gonna copy and paste the URL. And first of all, before we do that, we need to set up the GitHub access token. So that we need to type our email address for our app, and copy and paste the access token here, and save. Once ready, then we can access to the application. So first of all, once we select the GPT-4o, I will recommend that if you are free user, you can use 4o mini first, and you can upgrade it with our upgrades version, which is you can sign out here. There's upgrade to Pro. You can sign out here. Okay. So again, let's go into the lab and let's index with the URL. Wait a minute. Indexing the repository, it takes a while, a couple minutes or a couple seconds, depends on the size of the repo. Once it's ready, we'll refresh the page, and you can see already refresh the page, it's ready for you. So first of all, we can start with what is the repository menu about. So we can start with asking what is model context protocol, and what is doing, and some of the directory structure, and to write a sample code for me to develop a Python MCP server, and it's help me to, based on the context of this repositories, help me to write a no, it's a TCP/IP one, so I don't want it. I want to use MCP, not TCP/IP. So it's now running the application and MCP server and requests. Yeah, and also could you explain the core idea for MCP? So it's now basically understanding the context of in the SDK for Python MCP protocol, and it's now explaining the key concept for us: centralization, tool discovery, flexibility, server capability, integration, and so forth. And how does benefit from this protocol? So once the model context protocol provides several benefit to large language model by enhancing their functionality, integration capability. So you can, yeah. So it's how you can learn a new protocol with ease, without arterial like going to detail and doesn't know how to get started. You have a code-based tutor for you, so you can get started with our application Mindify Lab. And so that's pretty much it, and see you next time. Thank you.